Keanu Reeves was born in Beirut, Lebanon in 1964, but grew up in Toronto, Canada. His childhood was not an easy one, as his parents divorced when he was just 3 years old. Despite this, Keanu found solace in the performing arts and started acting in school plays at a young age. He dropped out of high school at the age of 17 and moved to Los Angeles to pursue his dreams of becoming an actor. Keanu's big break came in 1989 when he starred in the hit film Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. The film was a huge success, and Keanu's performance as the lovable slacker, Ted, was a hit with audiences. This role led to many more opportunities for Keanu, including starring roles in Point Break and Speed, which cemented his status as an action star. Despite his early success, Keanu's career hit a rough patch in the early 2000s. He starred in a string of flops, including Johnny Mnemonic and The Replacements. However, Keanu didn't let this get him down. He continued to work hard and eventually landed a role in the hugely successful Matrix trilogy, which brought him back into the spotlight. In recent years, Keanu Reeves has experienced a career renaissance, thanks in part to his role in the John Wick franchise. The films have been a huge success, and Keanu's performance as the badass hitman, John Wick, has been praised by both critics and audiences alike. In addition to his acting career, Keanu has also become something of a pop culture icon, with his humble and kind personality endearing him to fans all over the world. Mansion. Keanu's mansion is located in the exclusive Truesdale Estates neighborhood of Beverly Hills. The area is known for its stunning views of the city and its exclusive, gated communities. Keanu's mansion is a modern masterpiece, with sleek lines and clean, minimalist design. The house features floor-to-ceiling windows, which allow for plenty of natural light and stunning views of the city. The interior is decorated in a modern style, with clean lines and neutral colors. Keanu's mansion is filled with incredible amenities. The house has a large, open-plan living area, which features a state-of-the-art home theater system and a built-in bar. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with high-end appliances and plenty of counter space. The mansion also features a gym, a spa, and a swimming pool, perfect for relaxing after a long day on set. One of the most impressive features of Keanu's mansion is its incredible outdoor space. The house sits on a large plot of land, which features stunning landscaping and multiple outdoor entertaining areas. There's a large outdoor dining area, complete with a built-in barbecue, as well as a fire pit and a cozy seating area. Car collection. Keanu is a well-known motorcycle enthusiast, and his collection features some of the most iconic bikes in history. From vintage Harley-Davidsons to modern Ducatis, Keanu's collection is a testament to his love of the open road. In addition to his love of motorcycles, Keanu is also a fan of sports cars. His collection features a number of sleek and stylish vehicles, including a Porsche 911 and a Ferrari 458 Italia. These cars are not just for show. Keanu is known to be a skilled driver and has even competed in a number of celebrity races over the years. Keanu's car collection also features a number of classic vehicles, including a 1973 Norton Commando and a 1970 Pontiac Firebird. These cars are not just for show. Keanu is known to be a skilled mechanic and has been known to spend hours tinkering with his collection in his spare time. Net worth. In addition to his acting career, Keanu has also dabbled in business ventures over the years. He co-founded the motorcycle company Arch Motorcycle in 2011 and has also invested in several other startups. So, just how much is Keanu Reeves worth? According to Celebrity Net Worth, Keanu's net worth is estimated to be around $400 million. While this is an impressive figure, Keanu is known for his humble and down-to-earth attitude and is known to give generously to charity.